Bullish anchor convention cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 16 cents and 30 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept ANC could reach 12 cents by 2025. Bearish anchor convention market cost expectation for 2023 is 2 cents. Anchor convention acquaintance. You've accompanied the ideal locations on the off chance that you're searching for anchor convention value expectations and need to know where the anchor convention cost will go from now on. We'll analyze anchor convention's authentic information, market patterns, and witness industry insiders' thought process will to its cost from here on out. Kindly remember that this anticipation and some other forecast ought to be taken with the comprehension that they are just the assessments of a few market experts, not to add that it is challenging to anticipate whatever exact. In any case, we will bend over backward. How about we start with the anchor convention value expectation? What is the anchor convention? One of the essential inspirations for the production of digital currencies, anchor convention endeavors to accomplish the depegging of the terra stablecoin and resulting breakdown of the Luna digital money. Be that as it may, made it be shaken, and it was a main consideration. Individuals that marked us got a 19.5% payout from the anchor convention. However, toward the beginning of May 2022, a few enormous financial backers pulled out their property, causing the amount of us set in anchor to decline. Different financial backers were then provoked to pull out their UST because of this thump-on influence. This brought about a run that depegged UST and drove down the cost of Luna. Decentralized finance, frequently known as DeFi, is the central guideline behind a few blockchains and digital currencies. It depends on the perception that there are a larger number of individuals with web access than ledgers. Credits are one assistance given by banks that can be worthwhile for the people DeFi is attempting to reach. The idea that credits might be made by means of decentralized finance, and especially Bitcoin, can possibly cause a ton of commotion, albeit Compound and other digital forms of money are specialists in this field. The issue of whether a cryptographic money could help purchasers give credits rather than getting them actually must be replied. The anchor convention steps in as of now. The Luna cryptographic money might be acquired in restricted amounts utilizing Anchor, which works on the land blockchain. Borrowers can involve their own advanced resources as security. The Anchor convention token is granted to supporters of the land pool. Individuals can contribute ANC to the getting pool to acquire interest, which is paid out in ANC too. Individuals who own Anchor Convention Bitcoin successfully have a digital currency bank account, which is one more regular bank choice that DeFi enthusiasts wish to exploit. At a certain point, the convention was an intriguing possibility since it paid out a sizable amount of interest. However, on June 8, 2022, Anchor clients chose to end its acquiring and getting abilities after its part in the depegging of the US stablecoin. The land blockchain and the Luna digital money were both made by Korean crypto business people Daniel Shin and Do Kwon, who likewise sent off the coin. The cash entered the open business sectors in WOC 2021, and the convention was at first presented in mid-2021. ANC isn't a coin, however a token rather, in light of the fact that it runs on the land exemplary blockchain. In spite of the fact that suggestions to things like an Anchor convention coin cost gauge or an ANC coin value expectation might show up, they are completely wrong. Anchor convention current cost. Anchor convention is presently worth 3 cents USD. ANC has moved 0.11% as of now with an exchanging volume of $4,063,173. Anchor convention is presently positioned 663 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $12,546,493 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Anchor convention to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Anchor convention value forecast 2023. Anchor convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The ANC cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 5 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 5 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. ANC is supposed to have a base worth of 4 cents. Anchor convention value expectation 2024. In 2024, Anchor convention ANC cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of a NC will before long outperform 8 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the ANC's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ANC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 7 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 7 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 12 cents and ANC might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ANC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 11 cents and a low of 10 cents in 2025. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Anchor Convention effectively helps market feeling among digital money fans, the ANC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ANC will be green in 2026. The ANC is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 16 cents, with a base cost of 14 cents and a typical cost of 15 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ANC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 18 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 17 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ANC has a greatest value worth of 19 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 22 cents. In the event that NC figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 23 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help ANC needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 21 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2029. While ANC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 25 cents and a yearly cost close above 26 cents in 2029. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Anchor Convention will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 28 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 30 cents, averaging out at 29 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ANC cost in 2031 is projected to be 35 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 33 cents. And, however, apparently an independent digital money. Numerous financial backers are as of now worried about Anchor Convention's association with the land environment and Luna coin, particularly considering late withdrawals, the depegging of UST, and the breakdown of Luna. Second, since cryptographic money is still in its outset, it is obscure the number of